Welcome to my Denver 2024 real estate market forecast. I'm Kristin Harris with Milehimodern, and I've been selling homes in Denver for 10 years. Today we're going to discuss easing inflation, a moderate housing rebound, and what buyers and sellers can expect in 2024. Although there has been a lot of conversation regarding interest rates over the last 6 months, the truth is there's always a market to buy and sell. I'm personally seeing buyers and sellers who are entering the market because there's a life change. They might be relocating to the Denver area or needing to downsize, which is initiating a real estate transaction. One of the biggest factors in the real estate market this year will be easing inflation, which will open the door to interest rate cuts. With interest rates peaking around 8% in October of 2023, the Fed has since announced they plan to reduce interest rates 3 to 6 times in 2024 as inflation is reined in. So what does this mean for you as a buyer and seller? Well, buyers, I think you can expect to see inventory pick up throughout the year. Sellers are going to feel more comfortable putting their home on the market as they realize they can get a replacement home with a moderate interest rate. Traditionally, in the Denver real estate market, sellers are realizing their highest pricing in the months of April, May, and June. This year could be slightly different as sellers realize high pricing through the fall market as interest rates are coming down and buyer demand is picking up. In terms of home valuation in 2024, I think we can expect to see a moderate increase, unlike the slight decrease we experienced in 2023. What does this mean for a seller this year? The first thing is that we're averaging 1.5 showings a week, which equates to approximately 10 weeks on the market. Now, this is going to depend on where your price range is. Luxury homes over $3 million may sit on the market for 6 months, where homes on the lower end of the price range between $450 and $750 can easily sell in one weekend. Nonetheless, as a seller in the Denver real estate market, you should expect to be on the market somewhere between 30 and 45 days. So what can buyers expect in 2024? I think you can expect to see supply increase throughout the year, giving you more options. That said, when a cream puff listing hits the market, you're going to want to go see it in the first 24 hours and make sure you get it under contract. What exactly is a cream puff listing? A cream puff listing is a home that's in an A+ location, it's in a 10 out of 10 showing condition, and the price is 100% dialed in to fair market value. Those listings, especially if they're priced under $1.5 million, can fly off of the market within 24 hours, multiple offers, even in a market where you're seeing more supply.